That's very good.
You are up this slide?
I'm up here too. Where are we going now? Okay, you want to wait your turn, Madison? Wait till the little girl gets off.
Wait.
Hold on, Madison. There's a little girl at the bottom part. Oh. Okay. Oh, be careful, honey. Okay.
I want to go down.
Okay, you can go down. You want to go down the slide? It can be your turn now. Good girl. Whoa!